Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
When somebody says Namaskaram, returning Namaskaram is Bharatiya Samskaram. Namaskaram.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There is some patient sitting there, cameraman is hiding. Shift here. पीछे बैठकर if you want to see no here. She is hiding. Backward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
हाँ, बिल्कुल आपके पास पूरा समय है सर। अब आप क्या सुनते हैं?
Correct. 4 topics. Which are they? Sanskrit, covering science, and also space science. They are basically mathematics. A PhD in mathematics. Right? Second one is management. As a professor of HOD of management. Now also IPFI is a university with management science. I am a practicing professor. Sikkim is the headquarters. Third one is Bhagavad Gita. That is anyway full of Sanskrit. I will only add one more two slokas and then finish my class. 10 minutes. Good enough?
सर, totally up to you.
What is science? Science का मतलब क्या है? Tell me, what do you know about science? विद्या.
विज्ञान।
विज्ञान सब विज्ञान ही होता है ना. साइंस अलग क्यों?
प्रजुक्ति
टेक्नोलॉजी साइंस नहीं होता. टेक्नोलॉजी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज टेक्नोलॉजी. BTech, बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. टेलीफोन इज अ टेक्नोलॉजी. बट ये साइंस नहीं. इसके अंदर साइंस होता है. कम्युनिकेशन इज अ साइंस. कंप्यूटर इज अ साइंस. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स is an engineer. You understood the difference? Science is basic science. उसको how to make a product becomes engineering. When you make it and make product out of it for sales, it becomes technology. So practical is technology. Invention is discovery, making something new is engineering. Science is the basic, but वो definition नहीं होता. So what is science? What is science? आपको तो मेरा टाइटल तो मिल गया. कब? 1-2 दिन पहले मिला होगा ना.
हाँ।
क्या करना आप? गूगल करना. हर एक टॉपिक लेके गूगल करो तो आपको मिल जाएगा. Okay? Now onwards. Every word which comes, don't think that I know what is science. No, thinking that you are knowing is the biggest mistake. Keep Google. Who is the best teacher in the world? That's it. Technology. What is science? Data science. Data is put inside. Information is what we get from. Correct? Sakshat Anubhavai Drishto. Have you heard this? If you have not heard, you can repeat. Sakshat Anubhavai Drishto Na Sruto Na Guru Darshitava Lokana Upakaraya Etat Sarvam Pradarshita. That is science. तो किसका डेफिनेशन है? I am from Andhra Pradesh. There was a great Acharya. He was one of the leading chemists. इसके नाम पे एक यूनिवर्सिटी भी है. गुंडूर साइड. Know which university? He was a chemist. I am giving clue. I want the name. He was a chemist. He was an Ayurveda specialist. There is a fertilizer company in his name. 13th century. कौन है? Any clue? any name, whatever name you put. Nagarjuna. Acharya Nagarjuna was a great chemist. उसका laboratory था, chemical laboratory. पूरा chemistry के बारे में रसार्णवकल्पम, रसवर्ण समुच्चयम, पूरा chemistry के बारे में टेक्स्ट बुक उन्होंने लिखा. So he was a scientist. So he defined science is साक्षात अनुभवैर्दृष्टो न श्रुतो न गुरुदर्शितः. What somebody says is not science. What guru is telling you, what guru is showing you is not science. Anubhavair. You must experience, understand it, make it your knowledge. That knowledge which is useful for people is called science. What is Sanskrit word for science? Shastra. Correct? Natya Shastra. Dance is a science. It's not a technology. Dance is a science. Saundarya Shastra. Beauty is a science. Got it? Darshana Shastra. Philosophy is a science. But not the modern science, the original, traditional Sanskrit science. शास्त्र. शास्त्र अलग है, साइंस अलग है. आजकल का साइंस का मतलब लैबोरेटरी में एक्सपेरिमेंट करे तो हो जाता है. बट ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन शास्त्र is what stays for long time. Today MSc is science, MA is arts. अलग होता है. But MA philosophy. But philosophy is science. Who is the best philosopher in the world? Darshana. His weapon was Darshana. Not ordinary Darshana. Sudarshana. Who had Sudarshana?
Sri Krishna.
So he is the best philosopher. Sudarshanam. Philosophy is his weapon. वो चक्र नहीं है with the weapon arrow marks. No. He was a doctor. Doctor of philosophy. PhD is what? Doctor of philosophy. Who is the first doctor? Krishna. Got it? कृष्ण को कहां से मिला ये पूरा जानकारी? इसका पूर्व जन्म क्या था? श्री राम. ओके, श्री राम को कहां पे मिला ये पूरा? श्री राम का मेंटर कौन था?
गुरु वशिष्ठ.
वंडरफुल. गुड. राजा, ये चॉकलेट है.
Very good, very good.
I have to give a chocolate. इसका टेक्स्ट बुक का नाम था योग वासिष्ठम. क्या है?
योग वशिष्ठ.
रामायण में I am a psychotherapist. I am an MS in psychotherapy. I am a psychologist. But that is modern science, psychology. But हमारा पारंपरिक योग वासिष्ठम पे होता है. योग वासिष्ठम you want to learn now? One sloka, finish. You want one sloka? Purnem. Repeat. Purnem. Manasi. Sampurnam. What does it mean? As you think is the world is. Purne Manasi Sampurnam. Jagat. Sarvam. Subhadravaihi. The whole world is as you think the world is. You think world is good, the world is. You think world is bad, it's bad. Why? Upanam. Gudapadasya. Nanu charmastu daiva. Guhu. I want leather carpet if I have to come to this class. I want all the place where I am walking. I want leather carpet. हो जाते हैं. मुश्किल काम है ना? इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. क्यों? एक लेदर फुटवेयर दे दो, हो गया ना? Correct? So what you wear, मैं क्या wear किया अभी? आज कौन सी दिन है? आज Thursday, इसलिए Thursday. Got it? Whenever you walk, decide that this is leather, and wherever I walk, I get leather only when I wear a leather footwear. I want happiness. अब क्या करना है? Happiness लेके जाओ. Yama had a big complaint. Yama's father is not good. Yama's father was not good. Yama said, my father is not a good ruler. इसको किधर भेज दिया? वशिष्ठा के पास. 18 days. 18 days psychotherapy treatment. इसके बाद वो आके बोला, दशरथ महाराज आप बहुत बड़ा. इसके पहले क्या हुआ? थोड़ा मेंटल लूज था रामा. So who treated him? Vasishtha, first psychotherapist in the world. That book is called Yoga Vasishtha. So you must change your attitude so that you can become a good person. This is the beautiful sloka. Purne manasi sampurnam
पूर्णे मनसि सम्पूर्णं
Jagat sarvam sudhadravaihi
जगत् सर्वं सुधाद्रवैः
Upana godapadasya
उपानगुणपदस्य
Nanu charmastrutaiva bhuhu Nanu charmastrutaiva bhuhu. That is the essence of Yoga Vasishtha. That's the essence of psychotherapy. So OB science है, psychology is a science, na? Correct? So Sanskrit and science. I can give a lot of examples there. Now come to management. What is management? Management is managing. Putting right people in the right place is called a management. Got it? If somebody is good, I must give him promotion. Somebody is not good, throw him out. Interview में क्या होता है? Why people interview for job selection, candidate selection? Huh? After interview, what happens? You get job. You get job. When you get job, what is happening to others? They got disappointed. You get appointed, others get disappointed. So what is interview? Disappointing many people. What is appointing somebody? Appointing somebody means he is the greatest. No, he fits for that job. That's only what it is. So putting people in the right place for the right job is what is appointed. Got it? Rejecting somebody doesn't mean they are not good. They are good for some other reason. You understood? When you come to campus, what do? You select your boyfriends and girlfriends. Campus selection होता है. हर campus में क्या होता है? Campus selection होता है. So you select somebody. This is my girlfriend. This is my boyfriend. So what happens? Others get disappointed. Once you select, what will happen? You lose lot of chances. एक बार एक आदमी को select करो, खत्म. Correct or not? You get into a bus, what will happen? You miss all buses. Now she realized. Once you get into a bus, you lose lot of buses. Getting into a bus is good or not getting into a bus is good. If you don't get into a bus, you get lot of other buses. You get lot of chances. Correct? So management is knowing where, when, what, how to put into place. WWWWH. Okay. You want another slogan for that? I have a book. You can look at Dr. TPS. How many of you have seen Dr. TPS on website? None of you are good students. Number one. You know why? What is the basic character of a student? Students क्या करते हैं जनरल? Not necessarily students. Anybody who want to learn, what do? What is the basic character of a student? You call somebody to paint the building. What do they come with? What do they ask first? They ask a brush. You ask somebody to clean the area. What do they come with?
Brush.
No, some weapon they will get it. What is your weapon?
Exercise you can.
What is your weapon?
Pen.
How many of you have taken your pen and started writing when the lecture happens? So that means you have no interest in learning. You are here because he asked you to sit here. That's it. Correct or not? Any student should do what? Keep writing. Otherwise your brain is so good, you remember everything what I said. Every student have one habit. Keep on writing. Taking notes, making notes. Keep on writing what you say. Now today you don't have to write because she is recording, he is recording, he is recording. Do you listen to this again? Listen, write down, learn, make your notes, keep it here. That's a basic habit of any student. Not taking notes, making notes. Two habits, taking notes, making notes. Generally, when I am a professor in any college, any university, what I do is, I will give blah 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 lecture, internal marks, send me picture of your notebook. वो देख के हम marks दे. If you have not written anything, 0 marks. You have written beautifully, 100%. So every student should have note. Keep on writing. That's the best method to learn. Got it? So I wrote lot of things like this. Whenever I go for lectures, people will ask question. आजकल Facebook है. Facebook के पहले क्या था? You know what was the Orkut? क्या था? Orkut. Orkut के time पे when I was giving lecture like this, after Orkut, everybody will come to friendship. We will have lot of questions. वो पूरा questions answers में क्या देता ये पूरा इकट्ठा करके एक book बनाया. That book is called Life Made Simple. What is my first book? Life. What is life? L. Spelling क्या है? L I F E. What is the meaning of life? Live in full enjoy. No. Learn in full enjoy. What is life? Learn in full enjoy. All of you write learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn. Learning license आपके पास है तो आप L board लिखता है. After learning license आपका क्या है? L board निकालते ना? So learn में L निकालो क्या मिलता? So after learning आपको क्या मिलेगा? Learning हो जाता. Understood? So what is life? Learning is an investment for future earning. You learn first, then earn next. So management is a business. So I am a professor of business and management. So what do we teach? How do you earn money? How do you make business? How do you put people in the right place? How do you change the institution? Okay. So in which says anything what you write is called aksharam. What is aksharam means? Every word, learn the meaning, you become a scientist. What is aksharam? Ksharam means what? Ksharam means which vanishes after some time. Destroy. You can destroy it. It's called ksharam. Akshara means which you cannot destroy. Understood? That is why you should have akshara. When you write it, it remains. If you don't write, it doesn't remain. Mandram is what? All chantings are mantras. You are chanting beautiful mantras, right? Have you thought about each word meaning? Sahana bhavatu, Sahanau bhunaktu, Sahavidyam karavavahe, Tejasvina vati namastuva vidyusha vahe. So we learn together. Not I am teaching you and you are learning. We are learning together. When he is chanting, if I don't listen, I will not be able to go to that. So listening is learning. It remains in us many times. Aksharam. Amandram aksharam nasti. Nasti moolam anaushadam. Ayogya purusho nasti. Yojagaha tatra durlabha. That is what is management. What is management? Amantram aksharam nasti. There is no letter which is good or bad. Is there any letter good or bad? Everything is good. Everything is bad. Dog, कुत्ता. बंगला में क्या बोलते हैं? कुत्ता. Kukur. Kukur. Kukur is good, right? Good or bad? Good. Beta, good or bad? Beta, bacha. My son, boy, what do you call?
Bangla.
In Bangla.
Chile.
When you get angry, what do you do? दोनों मिक्स करके यूज करते नहीं करते? Yes or no? Every language it is like that. Dog is good, son is good, but when you get angry, what do? Mix together and use as a bad word. Correct? So there is no good word, there is no bad word. Mixing together becomes good or bad based on we are a poet or not. I am a poet. So when I write, I mix words and that becomes beautiful poem. Somebody can use same word, make it as a scolding. Correct? So who is a good manager? Who makes beautiful things out of what is available around. 5M. What is management? 5M. Man, mission, material, money, market. हो गया आपका मैनेजमेंट क्लास. अभी MBA की जाके क्लास ले लो. What is management? 5M. Got it? You can see all these principles of learning. The best way was taught by Kaudilya. कौन है Kaudilya? Chanakya. Chanakya's book is which book?
Arthashastra.
Exactly all these 5M principles used. Best management. Who to be appointed. How much money to be paid. Everything is written in Arthashastra. How much salary is to be given. Bank loan interest rate कितना होता है, कैसे देना, क्या business के लिए क्या दे. So the best Arthashastra must be in your library. Go and search. Got it? It's totally the knowledge book of business studies. उसको कहाँ से मिला ये पूरा जानकारी? It's all in the Veda. It's all in the Upanishads. The whole Bhagavad Gita. This is my Bhagavad Gita. क्यों? अभी मलयालम पे दे रहा है क्लास. पहले 3-4 बार इंग्लिश पे था क्लासेस. So it's coming in Malayalam every week, few slokas. So मैं ये लेके क्यों घूम रहा हूँ? क्योंकि इसके अंदर एक श्लोका का रेफरेंस दूसरा श्लोका पे है. All that is connected here. Every shloka is connected to something else. It's a beautiful management science, beautiful psychology. Amantram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam anaushadam. Aushadam is medicine. Kerala and Bengal both are good in Ayurveda. Kerala and Bengal, I am from Kerala. Kerala and Bengal, there are a lot of relationship. Only place Marxist ruled for long years. Kerala and Bengal. Maybe the last government is in Kerala. That also will do. Nasti moolam anaushadam. Moolam is the root. All these are medicines when a Ayurveda specialist sees. There is no material which is not a medicine. There is no material which is not a poison also. The flower is good when it is growing. But after some time it becomes so bad. Correct? The beautiful flower after some time becomes what? You all wear flower, right? Evening? Oh, you will throw it as if some fellow has put on your head. Mood देखो, morning कैसे होता है, evening कैसे होता है. Correct? So the time decides. Amantram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam anaushadam, ayogya purusho nasti. There is no person who is good or bad. Somebody is good to become an officer, somebody is good to become a driver. Who is more knowledgeable? Officer. Driver or officer?
Driver.
Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita. What is the first sloka? We are jumping from management science to Bhagavad Gita. Remind. Yojakaha tatra dullabha. Putting in the right place, people are very less. Okay? That is what is management. Management is putting people in the right place. Vice Chancellor has to be fit person to become Vice Chancellor. His driver has to be fit person to become that driver. Now, what is Bhagavad Gita? What is the first sloka in Bhagavad Gita? Chapter number 1. Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveda, Yudhavaha, Mamaka, Pandavascha.
You should understand it. Mamaka, that means my people and their people. Who is their people?
Pandavas. But are they not his people? No, he never considered Pandavas as his brother's kids. That is why he is blind. Got it? उसको क्यों अंधा बुलाते हैं? क्योंकि उसका क्लोजेस्ट रिलेटिव्स है, उसका पिता भी जीवित नहीं है, तो क्या करना पड़ता? As a king, as a brother of the father, his responsibility to look up. वो नहीं दिया, वो consideration नहीं था उसको. So to whom he is asking that question? First question by whom? Dhritarashtra. To whom he is asking? किसको पूछ रहा है? संजय कौन है? विदुर कौन है? उसका काम क्या है? सारथी, driver. King is asking whom? Driver. आपका चीफ मिनिस्टर गाड़ी चला के नहीं जाते ना, ड्राइवर होता है. कोई रोड में कुछ रुकावट हो गया तो वो क्या पूछते? पहले ड्राइवर को पूछते क्या हो गया. Correct or not? Everyone, the master, the best rich man, the highly knowledgeable professor also will ask the driver what happened. Correct? So who knows more? Driver knows more. Correct? Here who was the driver? Sanjay. So what is Bhagavad Gita? Asking the driver. Driver means he is the leader. He is the man who is taking full trust on the driver. Correct? So management science is trusting the one who leads you, the leader. If leader is not good, you will have problem. But leader can lead only when the master decides where we want to go. So here, the person sitting beside was a blind person. Dhritarashtra was a blind person. And Mahabharata happened what time? Which era? Dwapara Yuga. Dwapara Yuga is how many years old? 5,200 years old. 3,200 BC. Correct? We are in 2000. 2024 plus 3,248. You will get exactly November 14. Bhagavad Gita happened in November. And then January tak Bhishma was on bed. Sankramanam. The sun goes from south to north. That is the time he has chosen for death. So you can find where it happened. Where it happened? Kurukshetra. Where is Kurukshetra? Map पे देखो कुरुक्षेत्र कहाँ पे? How big is the war field? 60 kilometers. Full of elephants. All the big jungle का जैसा है. Correct? So it was a huge war. What is the rule? If I am fighting with you, I will not leave anybody alive. Then only I am the winner. That's a big rule. War philosophy. Last year philosophy day, I was in the North Bengal University in philosophy department. I was giving a talk on war philosophy. Go to Google, YouTube, search Dr. TPS philosophy, North Bengal University. You will see that lecture. So this man decided I am not going to agree with my children. Who? My children and they is too far. Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kiva Kurvada Sanjaya. Sanjaya ने आंसर दिया क्या? नहीं दिया? कहाँ पे दिया? Where he has given the answer? आपके पास भगवत गीता बुक कभी भी है, you hold it in your hand? कौन सी श्लोका कौन सी चैप्टर पे आंसर है उसका? कौन सी आंसर कौन सी श्लोका कौन सी चैप्टर? 18th chapter 78th shloka. Got it? So Bhagavad Gita, I will write BG Bhagavad Gita -1-1. Bhagavad Gita chapter number 1, shloka number 1. Question, answer कहाँ पे? 18th chapter 78th shloka. What is that shloka? वो श्लोका क्या है? 78th shloka. यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो You don't know? You know the question. Immediately when you get a question, आप क्या करना है? Answer ढूंढना है. Correct or not? So first chapter, first श्लोका पढ़ने के बाद भगवद गीता second श्लोका, don't take it into second श्लोका, third श्लोका, 18 chapter होता है आंसर मिलने के लिए. Doesn't work. Immediate answer. One question, one answer. भगवद गीता खत्म हो जाता है 2 मिनट में खत्म करता है. चैप्टर नंबर 1, श्लोका नंबर 1, इसका आंसर कहाँ पे? 18th chapter 78th श्लोका. यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो मामका पांडवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजय. What is happening there? क्या होगा? What is his worry? What will happen? Who is going to win? War है तो maximum. What is the last result? Who is going to be the winner?
Pandava.
But that is the question who had?
Dhritarashtra.
Dhritarashtra. Who knows? Sanjaya knows. So Sanjaya gave answer. कहाँ पे?
18.
Immediately answer ने दिया, answer दिया है. But हमको बोलने के लिए भगवद गीता पूरा दिया. किसने? व्यास ने दिया. One question, one answer. बस 4 hours के बाद आंसर दे सकते हैं क्या? पूरा भगवद गीता पढ़ने के लिए 4 hours लगता है. Understood? So immediately the answer came. What is the answer? Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna. Yoga Ishvara is Krishna. He knows the whole yoga. Yoga is knowledge. Tatra Partho Dhanurdharha. Knowledge is not enough. आपको skill भी चाहिए. How to do the job? That is called skill. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Tatra Partho Dhanurdharha, who has got a weapon. Only in that place, Sri, Vijayam, all that will happen. Success will happen, fame will happen, will become great. Finished. But these two sloka, Dhritarashtra हाँ संजय। बट कृष्णा ने क्या किया? भगवत गीता, भगवत गीता 2 श्लोका में हो गया, उसमें कृष्णा का बात नहीं है क्या? Krishna is there to give this answer, context, objective, scope, methodology, research में वही होता है, that is given by Krishna. वो कहाँ से start होता है? Second chapter, that is why I want you to write, then you don't remember at all. Second chapter, 11th श्लोक, कौन सी श्लोक का? 11. Second chapter, 11th श्लोक. Second chapter, 11th श्लोक. अशोच्यानन्य शोचस्त्वम्, अशोच्यानन्य शोचस्त्वम्, प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे. Most important is not the full sloka, first word. Ashocya. What is it? What does it mean? Don't be sad. What is the meaning? Don't be sad. Because first chapter में, this is second chapter 11th श्लोका. First chapter में क्या हुआ था? अर्जुना विषादा, so sad Arjuna. So what is Krishna's answer? Don't be sad. Finished. So Bhagavad Gita, first word is don't be sad. And what is, anybody can check that sloka full? Ashocyananya Shochastva. You don't know. Bhagavad Gita finished, 2 slokas हो गया. Next Bhagavad Gita by Krishna, भगवान himself, 2 sloka में हो जाता. अशोच्यानन्य शोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे. Then गदा, हाँ बोलो गदासुंद गदासुंश्च. All of you should learn at least 4 slokas in Bhagavad Gita. Then some important slokas. That's good. Okay. Gadasuna gadasumscha nanu shochanti pandidaha. If you are a brilliant person, if you are a good student, you will not cry. Exam में fail हो गया. What is the teacher will say? If you are a brilliant student, you will not cry. Finished. You understood? Gadasuna gadasumscha nanu shochanti pandidaha. And 66th श्लोका में क्या है? 66th सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचा. Don't be sad. So what is Bhagavad Gita? Don't be sad. Starting maybe don't be sad. Ashocya, don't be sad. Ma shucha, don't be sad. Bhagavad Gita starts in not first chapter first sloka, not second chapter 7th sloka. 7th sloka में भी भगवान ने बोला है, but वो भगवद गीता नहीं है, scolding था. He scolded him. Hey, don't be sad. That is not Bhagavad Gita. Slowly, don't be sad is the start. Ashocya, Nanda Shochastvam. Last is Mashucha. Don't be sad. Bhagavad Gita is there. So you can finish every chapter by first line, last line, check the question, check the answer, understand the essence. Now if you want line by line, all the lines, go to Dr. TPS, Gita Tidbits, one playlist, UN, United Nations BG, UNBG, another, sloka by sloka I taught in America. In a class like this in a temple. Okay, essence of chapters, chapter wise. Most psychological sloka in Bhagavad Gita. Uddharet atmanatmanam atmanam avasatayet atmaiva kyatmano bandhu atmaiva ripunatmanaha. Your enemy is in your mind. Is not the same what Purne Manasi Sampurna. Purne Manasi Sampurna means what you think the world is yours. Correct? Here, same meaning. So what Vasishtha taught Rama, Rama in next Janma, Krishna taught Arjuna. I can go on and on, but I don't want to. It's already 12:30. I thought only I speak 10 minutes to you. Went on like that because you are all good listeners. Okay, all of you lift your hands.
Take it back and say welcome.
Good enough? Or one or two questions fast.
One or two questions from your side.
18.
Yeah, Dr. Yogi sir.
That's
Mamekam Saranam brother. Very powerful. Anything?
And if you want to be a good student, there is a beautiful slogan. What is that? What is that? For a student, best way to become a good student. Yogatshema. What is the starting of that Yogatshema? Ananyas chintayanto maam. Yejana paryupasate. Tesham nityabhiyuktanam. Yogatshemam mahamyaham. That's the only place Bhagavan gives guarantee to you. Whatever you study will never forget. Whatever you earn will never go from you. How much pain you become, never you go down from that. I guarantee all that to you. When Ananyas chintayanto maam, don't think something else and waste your time. Think focused. Concentrate. हर क्लास में होता है ना, concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. Please concentrate. Please attention, please focus, please. हर टीचर बोलते रहते, क्यों? वो टीचर्स को मालूम है आप फोकस नहीं कर रहे. You are not concentrate. Correct? That's a proof. Concentrate करना है तो आप लिखना. Every sloka, everything. Keep writing one line so that you can ask questions. Good? Good enough? We have written recently one book, The Gita Way. What is the title of the book? The Gita Way. Google Dr. TPS, The Gita Way. And you can also download the e-book. Amazon पे मिल जाएगा. A young girl working in America asking lot of questions with her problems in this world around them. आजकल का problem. And from Bhagavad Gita I gave the answer. So one question, one answer. That is Bhagavad Gita in the Gita Way. The book is called The Gita Way. Urdhva Mula Vadashwagam, 15th chapter. 15th chapter. We have a physical body. Fivefold development. Physical, emotional, intellectual, social, spiritual. Correct? You are listening to me, is it because I am beautiful, handsome? No. You are listening to my intellectual knowledge, right? But I throw one chocolate. Is it intellectual? Is it physical? It is emotional. Correct? And I am here because Professor Nadeshan knows that I am coming to Calcutta. Immediately Nadeshan ji spoke to your HOD and asked, Dr. TPS is here, use it. He also told me that I have given your number, he will call. Correct? So I am here because of my social relationship. We are human being. Being human. Being human. Social relationship. Being social. Correct? So that ability is there. What is the highest? Is it intellectual? Not the physical, not the emotional, not the intellectual, not the social. What connects us? The spiritual connection. He is here not because he wants to know from me, not because he loves me, not because I am Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt, Karishma Kaushal, movie. Correct? What is that connecting us? The spiritual connection. So if spiritual connection is from the top. Correct? So generally a tree grows with the whatever it sucks from the ground. But in 15th chapter, it talks about how to become a Yogatnani, Yogeshwara. What is Yogeshwara's energy pulled from the top? So Urdha Mula Madashyakam. The energy has to be taken not from the ground, take it from the universe. So Bhagavan describes how to become a yogi. Beautiful stuff. Okay. You can see some place like Andhra Pradesh, Satya Sai Baba. There is a beautiful wall in which Urdha Mula Madashyakam painted beautifully. I was giving Bhagavad Gita class. One of the painter started drawing. The first picture what he was drawn is Urdha Mula Madashyakam. After my lecture on 15th chapter.
Just imagine, Urumulam Adasana.
And you have a beautiful place. Now when we were coming, the old building, people tree. Urdha Mula is people tree. You have seen people tree? The whole building with the roots. It's here only, near neighboring place. No? That is called it, where the roots comes from the top. That's what is Urdha Mula Madashyakam. Energy from the universe. That's it.
Very scientific.
Good enough? Kata better. Age 3 to grade 3 education law. Age 3 to grade 3. There are 6 books on mental care, psychology. There is one book on Ayurveda and pregnancy. How to take care when people carry. The pregnant woman, how to be taken care of. So I keep doing research, I keep writing books. You can see my books published on the Amazon. The one who is publishing is also here. So you will see those books published. You can use it, ask questions. 950 388 7. So thank you.
Come to Kerala. You want to come to Kerala? Lot of Bangla people are there. I mean Bangla books.
डिपार्टमेंट में सर आए और आपको एक एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है, नई नई चीज़ों को आप देख रहे हैं, and that is very important for the university.
Come sometime, plan a small group. Look at Google Maps, Dr. GPS. You will see my house.
We will make a group next year. We will visit the Kerala. So we will try and get by हम लोग अगर एग्जाम हमको मिला उसका प्लान करेंगे ग्रुप का और we will go to Kerala.
डिस्कशन के लिए हमारे बजट भी रखे हैं।
और इस बार पहली बार नया बजट जो हुआ 3 दिन 4 दिन पहले मेरी मीटिंग हुई और हमने आपको बताया, सुनो, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डिपार्टमेंट, हमने वो डबल कर लिया है बजट संस्कृत डिपार्टमेंट। तो डिपार्टमेंट के पास पैसे की कमी नहीं होगी, हमें ओपन हार्ट के साथ सबका पार्टिसिपेशन चाहिए और डेडिकेशन, ताकि हम रिफॉर्म करें, परफॉर्म करें, ठीक है ना। और उसमें एक नया हेड करता हूँ वो विधिवत वोट ऑफ थैंक्स डे, और फिर हम लोग सभा को समापन करेंगे। इसके साथ चाय की व्यवस्था है आप लोगों के लिए, आपकी पैकेट की व्यवस्था है, आराम से कोई, और बच्ची बाबू में हमारे सब कोऑर्डिनेशन सभी बच्चे लोग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना। आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा किया है, तो वोट ऑफ थैंक्स फॉर्मल दीपांकर दास सर।
We have arranged at the continuity portion of this symposium, and I would like to convey my thanks on behalf of our department, on behalf of the students and teachers. First, I want to thank the chief patron of this symposium, Dr. Professor Shanta Datta, the Reverend Vice Chancellor of this university. And then I would like to thank the patron of this symposium, our Honorable Registrar Professor Devashish Das. And then I would like to thank our HOD, Dr. Kamal Kishore Mishra, whose endeavor has made it successful to arrange this like enlightening symposium here. Then I would like to thank our chief speaker, distinguished speaker, Dr. T.P. Shashikumar, T.P. Shashikumar ji. It is our great opportunity that a person being this high stature is present here, and it is our great opportunity to come nearer to this type of fellow who is not only a scientist, a Sanskritist, and also an administration person, and as well as a good teacher and researcher also. So he is multi-dimensional character, a person, and having multi-dimensional colors. And we are very happy and we are very lucky for being with us, this type of teacher and researcher with us. And I think the audience has become enlightened much with this epoch-speaking this lecture, and this way of delivering lecture is very much astonishing and surprising, and which convince the students that every student is compelled to know the matter he delivered. He made it possible to all the students and all the persons present here. It is very much surprising, and it is not a lecture, general lecture, that he is delivering and all are listening and going over the head. But no, he is delivered his lecture in a direct method, in a convincing method, that every student should convince what he has said, what he wants to say. And I convey my heartfelt gratitude and respect and thanks to you, sir. Then I will thank our office assistant, Bhutmitra ji,